Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where network computers are not showing in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing. Network computer can be computers which are connected over LAN for which internet is not needed, or they are connected over the internet. So here's the thing. If they are connected using a Wi-Fi router or something, then make sure that the internet is working, and if the internet is not working, then fix that issue first. And if it is locally connected, then you can straight away come to the following solutions. And even if it's connected to the internet, you can try the following solutions. The first one is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the system tab on the list on the left hand side, in the right pane select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the network drivers. How? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the active network adapter and select update drivers. Select search automatically for drivers. The last solution is a network reset. So why do I suggest a network reset? Because otherwise you will have to run a lot of commands like flush DNS, reset WinSock, reset the TCP IP protocol, release the IP address, renew the IP address, etc. But when you perform a network reset, you're basically resetting all at once. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings and then click on network reset. Click on reset now and finally click on yes to reset the network settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.